What's the meaning of life? According to existentialism, there might not be one unless you create it. Let's break down existentialism. Simply, what is existentialism? Existentialism is a modern philosophy that grew in the 19th and 20th centuries. It's not one single school of thought, but a movement of ideas shared by thinkers like Søren Kierkegaard, Friedrich Nietzsche, Jean-Paul Sartre, and Albert Camus. At its heart, existentialism deals with freedom, meaning, and the individual's responsibility to define their own life. Existentialism's big ideas. Existence before essence. Jean-Paul Sartre said, "Existence precedes essence." That means people are not born with a fixed purpose. Instead, we exist first, and then define ourselves through choices and actions. Freedom and responsibility. Existentialists believe humans are radically free. You always have a choice, even if it feels limited. But with that freedom comes responsibility. You can't blame fate, society, or even God for the life you live. The absurd. Albert Camus said life is absurd because we want meaning, but the universe doesn't hand us one. Instead of despair, Camus encouraged embracing life fully, to create meaning through how we live, even without ultimate answers. Authenticity. Existentialists encourage living authentically, not just following the crowd or living by others' rules, but owning your choices and creating a life that's truly yours. Why existentialism still matters? It speaks to modern questions about purpose, identity, and freedom. It empowers people to take ownership of their lives. It reminds us that even in uncertainty, we can create meaning through how we live, love, and act. Existentialism teaches that life doesn't come pre-packaged with meaning. It's up to you to create it, through your freedom, choices, and authentic living. To keep your mind sharp, subscribe to Philosophy Explained Simply, and discover wisdom that shapes how we see life today.